All right, today Dr. Brian Hardings gets a shout out for introducing me to a lecture and a series of studies that quantify the effects of poor posture and poor spinal biomechanics on the nervous system. Most people already know that whenever you have poor postural habits day to day, that you end up with low back pain, neck pain, headaches, the musculoskeletal kind of stuff. However, in our clinics, we routinely see people have health breakthroughs with things like allergies and asthma, heart, increased blood pressure, sleep cycles, digestive issues, things that people think of typically being outside of the spine. In a lecture by Dr. Deed Harrison of CBP, he outlines multiple studies that show why improper spinal biomechanics lead and impact your overall health. Dr. Deed states that when you lose the cervical curve, you increase linear tension in the brainstem, cerebellum, cranial nerves 5 through 12, all the way down to the cauda equina. The picture on the left is a spinal cord and nerve roots in a patient with normal neck curvature. The right side shows a spine with cervical kyphosis or reversal of the neck curve. You can see stretching and tension not only on the spinal cord, but in the nerve roots that exit on the picture on the right. Dr. Deed continues to cite a study with 80 patients as a randomized controlled trial stating restoration of the cervical curve decreased low back and leg pain. One of the key mechanisms for this is that as the head shifts forward, the spinal cord and nerves stretch, which then alters the way nerve transmissions occur. Literally mechanically, the neurons send and receive information via a synapse when they physically swell and tighten in specific areas. When your spinal cord and your nerves are under tension, they can't mechanically do this. So if you lose your neck curve, you will change the mechanical properties of the nerves and mechanically the ability of the nerve to carry an action potential. Meaning that when you have either structural imbalances in your spine, or if we put our spine in the improper position on a day-to-day basis with our poor posture, we are literally interfering with the communication between our brain and our body. Every cell, tissue, and organ in your body is reliant upon and subservient to its respective ability to communicate with your brain. Therefore, your health is dictated by the degree to which your nervous system functions.